Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint juice for weight loss. This refreshing drink is not only delicious, but also offers several benefits for your health and weight management journey. Mint is known to boost your metabolism, which helps your body burn calories more efficiently. It also aids in digestion, reducing issues like bloating and indigestion, making you feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. To prepare this simple and effective mint juice, you'll need just a few basic ingredients. Start with about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, ensuring they are clean and vibrant. You'll also need 1/2 cup of water to help blend everything smoothly. For a zesty kick and added benefits, include 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Optionally, a small pinch of black salt can enhance the flavor. Making your mint juice is incredibly straightforward. First, thoroughly wash your fresh mint leaves under cold, running water to remove any impurities. Next, combine the washed mint leaves, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a blender. Blend the mixture until it's completely smooth and well combined. Finally, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp, leaving you with a clear, refreshing juice. For optimal results, try to drink 1 glass of this invigorating mint juice daily, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach. Remember, this juice works best when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. It's a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle, not a magic solution on its own. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.